community ani ki marakta khanna chaina pa thogakadra haina mi painaram badong asidi Dr. Sandongi Chilinau Singh Sandongi leaders sing of the Kwaksa the social leaders sing Jamiat ki koi di Luching Pure loibi riba Jamiat ulama ki sadar Hunganggi koi paipuna maki Luching Pure loibi riba Hunganggi azam ki bamdi kendra si ki honorable MLA Mingwena Panjarabra si Thongam Sabji si district ki SP additional SP STPO मैम यावना ngasi honorable MLA की office ta phamina duna thokriba thodok tugi matangda community ani gyan taminare lepang miyam da sarang naba gyan tana daba mi paina ba kopiram badu akoi masel taptana gyan tanare kari gumba mata mothe na balaitre hana gumna yamna tanglu leita ba ichilina woibogi mari duda punchi ngina bagi understanding akoi masel leminare lepang miyam na su phabo manipur mo bina ba oina bagi dama yamna santi laina manipur si chaukat pa mo oina bu kona bada wai pun mga sojok PBU haina lepang miyam inform da kanan aduga ti maraka koi agreement amasu community ani ke leadership ki marakta tawre koi na memorandum of understanding amasu nasi sahi taw nai hariba memorandum of understanding do betang ai pathol terke consequent upon the exchange of ideas among the community leaders of Kwakta and Kwakta Sandong in a constructive manner at the office of the Honorable MLA Moirang SC held on 11th April 2026 in the presence of Sri T.S. Shanti Singh, Honorable MLA Moirang, SP Bishnupur, additional SP Bishnupur and Deputy SP Bishnupur relating to the unwanted incident at Kwakta Sandong on 9th April 2026 around 4 p.m. The following terms were agreed in mutual interest of both communities, that is the Meiteis and the Meitei Pangal. That any conflict, quarrelsome, argument, etc. should not be allowed to happen in future. In case of such unwanted incidents happen, such incidents should not be encouraged by any community members on communal sentiments. Rather, let the individuals involved deal themselves so that the issue can be brought within the jurisdiction of law court, police, etc. The above single term of agreement is justified by the members of both communities whose signatures were affixed as follows. Hairaga koi Kwakta ki representative social leaders na sign tawjare amadi Sandongi Chilina koi inari pa memorandum of understanding se pajana gyan taminara ko matungda signature